Today I have a very special offer for you that is suitable for citizenship, and basically what it is, it's an apartment here in Antalya in Lara area, and specifically in Fener, very close to Terra city shopping mall. It's about 6-7 minutes away, and the price is around 300 to 350,000. The specific apartment that I'm going to try to show you today, it might not be available by the time you watch this video, but there will be other apartments that like it that we can help you acquire. Now you might be thinking that this price is not enough for citizenship, and you're right, it's not. But what I can do is, with this apartment combined with a second rental property, you can have the perfect lifestyle property with you. Two properties, one that will pay off, like will get you some rental income, which could be enough to pay off some of your bills, like your electricity, water, internet, maybe even some of your grocery bills. And then on top of that, you have your own very nice place, a 3-bedroom apartment in Lara, which is located in a prime neighborhood that I want to show you today. First, let's go have a look at the neighborhood, and then I'm going to show you the apartment itself. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm here at Fener and at one of the major shopping malls here, Terra city. It's one of the largest malls, it's the largest mall actually in Lara. I'm going to show you a property which is nearby from here, just a few minutes walk away, about 5 to 7 minutes walk, right from this mall, and it's in that direction. So let's go have a look. So guys, right across Terra city, there is a restaurant called Sedir restaurant here. So if this is one of the really famous restaurants here in Antalya. If you want to eat traditional like Turkish food, then you got to come to this restaurant, right? So kebabs like, you know, Urfa, Adana, even Iskender, you can come here and you get a very nice fine dining experience. So you guys keep asking me, send me some traditional restaurants, but so here's one. They have multiple locations. They have one in Konyaaltı as well. This is the Lara location in Fener. So it's right next to the mall here, Terra city. One more thing I want to point out is this project here, Casa Line, which is also located in Fener. It's like has the Marriott hotel residences as well. So you've got offices, you've got residences all in one in this project. It's newly built, so this is also a key feature of this region. Okay, something I just noticed, there's a judo center here as well, Gorilla Sports Academy. So I guess if you're into martial arts, then again, Fener region. Cute place for getting your shoes fixed, right? This sort of thing I really like in these neighborhoods. You've got, you know, the pharmacy, you got all these kind of things here. So I'm just walking now, we're just walking now to the apartment, and this is the mall. I'm gonna just walk over and show you all the kind of things. Salon, pet, there's a pet store here. Just kind of show you along. Got the limousine. So here's a Technics place for getting your fridge fixed, fridge, stove, that kind of thing. Here's school here, Osre Okullar. This is a bakery. Fırın, it means like bakery. So you can see here, they got like cakes and stuff. This Another tailor. Okay, you got this is like ladies and gents. Merhaba çocuklar. Nasıl gidiyor? Nerelisiniz?
Abi YouTube'a mı çekiyorsun?
Evet, YouTube çekiyoruz.
Kanalımız nerede?
Kanal şey yani Think Türkiye.
Think Türkiye.
Think ya.
Ben Kazakistanlıyım abi.
Oo, yapma ya.
Instagram'da
Gerçekten mi?
Evet.
Ne hangi dil konuşuyorsun?
Rusça, Kazakça biliyorum.
Oo, maşallah maşallah. Rusça sen?
Ben İzmirliyim.
İzmirli. Oo, çok güzel. Çok memnun oldum. Çok sağ olun.
Türkiye değil mi?
Think, yeah, think yani düşünmek Türkiye. Yazarsın çıkacak. Hadi görüşürüz. There's a barber there. I didn't want to tell them the new channel because the new channel is hard to pronounce. Expat Millionaire. It's gonna be even harder for them. So I just said to them, Think Turkey. You can still find the channel if you type Think Turkey. I hope so. I think, as far as I know. Big ladies coiffeur here is a ladies hairdresser. Photographer is here if you want to get your nice big park on this side. So this is an older neighborhood, obviously, right? So you can see all these things are slightly older. Like Lara is all like that generally. Like it's not going to be a new, brand new area. There's a vet over there. Forgot to tell you that. What else is there? Tia Kids, gymnastics for the kids. Then you got this thing here to recycle clothes. You're putting your clothes here. So you got nice basketball, football, this kind of stuff going on here. There's a new building constructed here, but looks like there's no for sale sign or anything. Probably everything is sold. There is a for sale sign. That must be on sale. You can see here, look at that. Beautiful green area. Beautiful green. So this is called Korkmaz Tedik Barış Parkı. Korkmaz. Don't be afraid. Tedik Barış, I'm not sure. Barış means peace. I'm not sure what Tadik means. Maybe the Turkish viewers can translate. There's your electric and tire repair shop, a pharmacy, a florist. You got another pet shop here, a Mitsubishi air conditioning place. And what else you got? Oh, Dentacay is right there. So Dentacay is one of the very famous dental places. So, if you are looking to get dental work done, do let me know that we are doing, we can help you out with that too. We can help you, connect you with somebody who's working in one of these places to get a better idea of how things are going. So there's a mosque right there. The azan just went. Need to pray as well. So this is a nice cafe, I think, here. Yeah, we've got coffee time right here. That's very good. Okay. There's another park here, Pir Sultan Abdal Parkı. So pier, the word pier is being used here. I know this is something that we use in India and Pakistan too, for like holy people, these kind of stuff. Eye specialist. So again, dermatology specialist here. Bunch of places like that. So we're almost getting to there's another pharmacy here. So the apartment that I was telling you about is just basically right from this hotel. I think this is a hotel, Novanta. So just turning right from here. And you're gonna see, so far I've been walking about 12 minutes. a few of them on sale over here, but the one which I really liked was one over here in this building right there. So today they're not here, but I'm gonna come back and show you inside tomorrow. Today the guy is not available to show the place, but just wanted to take the area since I was here. This is basically the place right here. Right. And this is the Pazar over there. I think there is another mosque over here somewhere. So this is the farmers market here, which now is being used as a parking. I think there's a small office here too. Not sure. I think it's a nail salon, I think. Yeah, looks like a nail salon. Oh, there's a mosque right there too. And this is the police station. It's kind of more of an administrative building where they have the electronic systems that they work on. It's probably like the radars and stuff like that. This is all the Pazar area, and right behind is the mosque there. And this is the main road too. So here is the mosque. You can see here. There's also a nice building over here. Got a cute little mosque, nice architecture. So this is the apartment here, 3-bedroom, the one I showed you. And this is the first room. They said these ones will be attached all the way in. So right now it's like this. This one will be attached inside. You can see. Here's a bathroom. Here you got a decent sized shower here. And then some more storage space. Here's storage. Okay. This is the kitchen. They will install the stove, the oven, all the appliances will come here. Also here will be the heater as well. So the water heater and the heating system will come there. Here's the balcony. You've got a view. Nice view. The AC system is there. LED lighting on top. Let me show you upstairs, the room. So you got some stairs going up. So first you have some more storage here as well. You know, you got your washing machine set up here. You got this area can be converted to, you can have a mini kitchenette there. Here is your open area, AC, the balcony. This can be closed as well to make it bigger, the glass balcony system. You can see the space here. This is not bad in terms of the space wise. And then you've got 2 other rooms. This is quite a small room, can be used as an office, small office area. And this can be like a guest room here. So you can fit a twin-sized bed in here. And then you've got the upstairs bathroom as well. And the heating is on the ground. All the flooring is heated. Heating is there. You can see the kitchen cabinets here. This is the garden area as well, outside. You can see we have got the garden section. And here's the security lobby area.